Do you have a loved one that died as a result of a sickle cell crisis and you're wondering whether the hospital made a mistake? And you're thinking to yourself, is there a medical malpractice for a failure to treat sickle cell crisis? We've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. I've been doing this for over 33 years. During that time, I've helped thousands of people get the compensation and justice they deserve. If you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. That way you can take advantage of all of my videos. Why am I putting out all these videos? As a free resource, because I want you to have all the information that you need. I want you to be able to have your questions about medical malpractice answered. So those of you who are familiar with sickle cell crisis know that from time to time, people go into a situation where they need treatment and they have to go into the hospital and there has to be blood work. And the most common treatment that sickle cell patients have when they're going through a crisis is getting a transfusion. And the transfusion is usually helpful and usually fixes the problem. And those of you who have sickle cell or have loved ones who have sickle cell understand this process very, very clearly. You understand what's going on because you're living with it day to day. But what happens if someone you know goes in for a sickle cell crisis treatment and they drop the ball? They don't do the proper blood tests. They don't think it's a sickle cell crisis at all. They think it's something else. They fail to do a transfusion. Someone that you've cared deeply about, who did everything right, who went to the hospital, who sought the treatment for their sickle cell problem, now they're gone. And the family is left wondering, what happened? No one's giving us any answers. No one's taking any accountability for the fact that they didn't do the treatment either in a timely manner or at all. Well, where are you going to go now? You have to speak to an experienced medical malpractice lawyer like myself, because during the 33 years that I've been practicing law, I've represented clients who've had sickle cell crisis and they've died as a result of a failure to treat sickle cell in a proper way. So yes, if a loved one dies from a sickle cell crisis because of bad mismanagement, you do have a medical malpractice case. Please leave your contact information below. When you do, I'll see that and I will respond to you right away. Thanks for watching and hope you found this information valuable.